In this example, I'm going to show how to use StatCrunch to quickly answer the multiple parts that are part of this problem. As you can see here, we have three sets of data of larger sample sizes, and because we're going to calculate the mean, eventually we calculate the median, and then later we change one of the values and do that process again, I'd rather rely on technology. So I'm going to start by opening up StatCrunch by clicking on this icon here. And I already have my data in columns. So what I would next want to select is Stat and Summary Statistics, and data is organized in columns. Let's select all three columns. To do this, I'm going to select or hold the Shift key as I select these. Next, notice that the statistics that are going to be performed are way more than what I'm being asked for. I only need the mean and the median. But if I hold the Shift key, it's going to select everything in between. So it's telling me to hold the Command key, or I believe it's also the Windows key if you're on a Windows-based computer. But notice whenever I hover over that section, you see that yellow line there underneath that gives me the instructions of how to multiple select. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and compute, and here's all the information I need to type into my math lab. Nicely, neatly organized. So, and it did that quickly for me. It's accurate, and then I can move on to the next phase. So in the next phase of these problems, we were asked, let me go down here, to recalculate the mean and the median, given that the 107 was mistyped or misrecorded as a 170. So let me go back. Actually, I'm going to just open it up again in StatCrunch. And here where I see 107, I'm going to type 170 for each of these. From there, I'm going to go to Stat, Summary Stats, Columns. I'm still selecting all three. I'm selecting mean and median, and I compute. And notice again, I can quickly find those answers by using StatCrunch. Also notice one other thing is that the median doesn't change with that different value, almost an outlier value if we go back and look at how it compares to the others. The mean did change. However, as the sample size increased, the mean had, or that outlier had less of an effect on the mean. But that outlier had no effect on the median.